So in the past, organizations have been uncomfortable with moving their data into the cloud. And there's good reason for that. We have security concerns around storing our data outside of our four walls, and for that reason, a lot of organizations have chosen to keep their data in their own data centers. And that's fine. However, now that we have the cloud available to us, it's much more mature. Amazon and Microsoft have the best security people in the world. They are going to help us keep our data safe, so I don't think we need to worry about that anymore. The benefits that we get from moving to the cloud are immense. We're now able to take a data set, and maybe more than one data set, maybe 1,000 data sets, terabytes of data, put that into the cloud, allow us to use as much processing as we want and as much storage as we want. And in the past, it's been a discussion with management and procurement on I need more servers, I need software, I need hardware, and that takes time to go out and get. We've got to go buy a physical machine, we've got to put it in the data center, we've got to configure it, we've got to buy software, we've got to install software on that machine, and then at that point, can we do something with it, right? In most Fortune 500 organizations, that process I just described is months. Within the cloud, now, literally, I can press a button and all of that is done for me. I have the ability to compute infinitely and store infinitely at the press of a button. So I can spin up my Hadoop cluster if we're talking about big data technologies. I can put data in there and I can process that data when I had nothing at the beginning of the day. By the end of the day, I am rolling, I've got my data in the cloud, I'm able to process it, and I'm able to work with my business customer on solving a business problem and getting insights. So I just immediately saved myself months of headache with working with all of the various parts of my organization that I need to work with to be able to get that server installed, only to find out that it wasn't big enough or wasn't going to support my needs. So the cloud really allows us to move and innovate a lot faster. When we combine the cloud with open source technologies, I also don't have to worry about purchasing software. I have open source capabilities at my fingertips. In fact, most of the cloud providers have those baked into their products where I can deploy a server with that free open source technology out, available, ready for me. I can put my data there and I'm off to the races, building out solutions to help solve the problems that my business is looking for. And again, this is all about speed. We can't wait 6 months to a year for the data warehouse to be built so that we can get some insight. We need that insight to find out what our customers are doing, what their behaviors are today, tomorrow, not a year from now. So the cloud, the open source technology, schema on read versus schema on write, all of those things together with the Agile methodology allows us to move so much faster than we've ever been able to move before in the data space. And it's a really exciting time.